Hi guys, so as you know that I have been living here for a couple of days, at my sister's home. She is my sister, Rinki Singh. And the thing is that I told you that since I came here, I came in my one shirt and jeans and I've been using the same. And today I put on my Jesus t-shirt and suddenly she came back from her parlor and she gave me this gift, this beautiful t-shirt. I don't know how she observed that I wanted a t-shirt and she purchased a t-shirt for me. Thank you very much, दीदी. तो आपके दिमाग में कैसे आया कि इसको एक टी-शर्ट देना चाहिए?
नहीं, कपड़ा देखे कि एक ही कपड़ा लेकर आया है। जीजू का कपड़ा पहने मतलब सुबह मैं ही दी थी इसे, लेकिन अच्छा नहीं मुझे लगा, इसलिए मैं लेकर आई इसके लिए। और छोटा भाई है, सबसे छोटा, 6 बहन में सबसे छोटा।
चलिए, सो थैंक यू वेरी मच। आपको सीक्रेट पता चल गया कि मेरी 6 बहनें हैं। या तो मैं 7वां हूँ, यानी कि सबसे छोटा। सो थैंक यू वेरी मच और आई एम वेरी वेरी हैप्पी। बहुत ही मैं खुश हूँ, बहुत बेहतरीन टी शर्ट है, इट्स लुकिंग नाइस। सो वंस अगेन आई वुड लाइक टू थैंक माय सिस्टर, थैंक यू वेरी मच। सो सी यू गाइस, स्टे कनेक्टेड, आई विल शूट सम मोर फुटेजेस आल्सो। थैंक यू। Hi guys, so it's 8 o'clock in the evening and I was just doing something on my laptop. Suddenly my sister came to me and she said that you have to go somewhere to bring something. And I'm saying somewhere because actually I'm quite new here, so I don't know about the names and all, about the locations and all. That's why I'm saying somewhere. So I have to bring something. So my niece is here with me. So what are we supposed to bring?
We are going to bring chicken butter masala,
Okay.
chicken chili,
Okay.
and butter naan.
butter.
And we are going to a food corner,
Okay.
which is nearby our home.
Okay.
So we are going there.
So she is my niece. Her name is Karishma Singh. So we are going, and she said that it's nearby, but nearby is maybe 3-4 kilometers far, maybe approx 3 to 4 kilometers far. So of course we are not going on foot. I will go by my car. So let's go. Come. So are you able to see? My car is there, but in order to back the car, I must push this rickshaw away. So I'm just going to do that. I think this rickshaw must be moved little that side. Yeah, you just hold the camera like this and I'm going to do this. You stand here and hold the camera like this. Like this, so that the rickshaw and me should be visible. Okay. मेरा हुआ रिक्शा वाला। Okay, it should be moved little bit. Yeah. No, I think I can.
You can pass it there,
Yeah, that's it.
that side. You are able to or not?
It's okay. I can just move my car like this. It's okay. Hey guys, come, all of you, come.
Fine.
Hey guys. So finally, come everyone, come, sit.
तुम बताना कहाँ से टर्न है?
Okay. Hey. Okay. Fine. I must fasten the seat belt. It's really very, very important. So let's go. Let's go. Let's go. And here guys, I would just like to say that whenever I come here, whenever I come to my sister's house, I just feel happy because my niece also speaks in English. I have 2 nieces here, so they speak in English fluently. So I always like to go to such places where I find some people speaking English. So it's kind of your practice every day. You can be fluent if somebody is there with you to talk. So Karishma,
Yeah.
her name is Karishma. Okay, so what about you, Karishma? Like do you feel like there is no one who can talk to me in English? Like sometimes it happens.
Yeah, because I know since I was in 8th standard, then I go to Delhi, and you taught me English.
Yes, 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 yes.
After that, I completed my education. I got married, have child, and there is no one who can speak English with me. So I really feel bad. I can't practice even. I can't teach my baby that how to speak in fluent English. So I always used to ask that Mama ji, how could I teach him?
Yeah. And here I can tell you that if you have lack of practice, now the sentence which
Yeah.
Karishma said, like I go to Delhi, it should have been I went
I
to
went
Delhi.
to Delhi,
Yeah. So this is what happens.
Lack
Even though
of
you know the fact that yes, you have made a mistake, but it happens just because of lack of practice, you know. So that's why I always tell you guys, you have to speak every day, you know. Where you have the injury, you should apply the ointment there. So if you really want to be fluent in spoken English, you have to speak every day. So this is all. So okay, but Karishma, still you are speaking nice, nice English, really. Your fluency is good up to the mark. Maybe one or two mistakes happens. Everybody does that. I have seen some managers, manager level of people, instead of doesn't, they say don't. It happens, and they're speaking and fluently they're speaking.
I know very well how to make translation.
Yeah.
You know, I can't do any mistake in that in written. But when I started speaking English,
Yeah.
then I do the same mistakes. I always do because there is lack of practice. We have to
Yes,
take a right turn.
Right. Oh, from here I can go.
Yeah, from here.
Yeah, it happens.
So the place the name is Gola.
Okay, the place name is Gola.
The market name is Gola.
Okay,
So we are
market.
going to Gola market.
So guys, it's
And there is a food corner.
okay.
So we have to take our food from there.
Okay. Why
Because
are
now
you
corona
shouting?
time and
Yeah.
everywhere takeaway system is available. We can't sit there, we can't have food there.
Okay.
So
Okay. So the place where we are going is called Gola. Eh?
Gola market.
It's really great. I've heard this name. I think I've heard this name second time.
Yeah.
Yeah. First time somebody said that there is a place Gola, and I was like, Gola, what is this? We are already on a Gola called Prithvi, so there is one more Gola here. Lovely, lovely. Okay. So, अरे भैया जाओ. Nice. So Karishma, I mean every day, suppose I am here, you talk to me in English, but if I am not here, then do you get to speak in English in 24 hours? How many hours do you really think that you can talk to someone, or you get to speak?
No, I only use one or two words in English with my child, but I never talk to English with anyone because there is no one who can talk with me in English. You know, it's Bihar, and whenever you try to speak in English, people think that he's showing, she's showing, so we can't do.
Definitely. So that is the problem.
Yeah.
So as she said that people think that yes, you are showing. In Hindi it is called अंग्रेज बन रहा है तो. So
Yeah.
guys, don't think that people are thinking that you are becoming अंग्रेज or something. Let the people think what they think. Come on, buddy. If you have to be something, come on, start your practice. But the question arises here that if somebody is alone, it's really very tough to practice, you know, Karishma?
Yeah, but you have told me in front of mirror we can practice, and whenever I got free for my work, then I try to talk with myself. In front of mirror, I do practice.
Yeah, that's great. That's great. And I have made so many programs where you can really speak in English by your own. You don't need any partner. Like I have started a program. I don't know whether you have heard or not. Chain speaking.
Yeah.
It's such a great program in which like. Acha,
This one.
this one. This
Yeah,
one.
right.
Chain speaking already my viewers know. Like you have to talk to yourself again and again. That's really great program. Yeah, but
Now
still,
people
yeah.
have started looking towards us. We are talking with camera, and here people,
Yeah.
you know.
Yeah.
So they started. This is
Okay.
the place. So you can see, this is the food corner.
Okay. So we are supposed to take the stuff from here?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm
We have to
sitting
park there.
Okay, okay. Fair enough. Oh, there is a breaker. So,
So we can park here.
okay, I'm parking the car here. Meanwhile, whoever wants to go, either you or Pawan, you go and bring the things.
No, you come with us. You can shoot there.
Okay, that's fine. Let's go there. Let's go. So guys, I have parked my car here. Okay. And when I hold the camera, you know, the viewers can see me only half. They can't see me full. It's very tough to show full. Hey. Okay. So we have come to the location. That's fine. So this is Gola.
Yeah, this is Gola Market.
So guys, this is Gola Market in Sonpur.
And this is the food corner.
And this is the food corner from where we have to take our steps. Yeah. And if I say about the sitting arrangement, that is also available here these days. But as you know, due to Corona, very few people are here. Very few people are sitting and having food. Mostly they would love to take away. Take away system. They take away from here. It's nice. I mean, neat and clean, and for entertainment there is TV also. You can see the fridge. It's almost, I would say it's good. So guys, these days I'm just having fun here in Sonpur at my sister's home. But tomorrow I have to go back to my village. Maybe tomorrow around 10 o'clock or 11 o'clock I will leave for the village. And after that again I have to go back to Noida, guys. You know, so it has to go on. Going to Noida, coming back to village. You already know why I'm doing this, because my father is undergoing chemotherapy. So I have to do. Okay, let them come. Meanwhile, I'm just having a stroll. It's good for health. So they are coming.
Bread, cake, everything is available here.
Okay.
You can buy cake also.
Oh, cake is also available?
Yeah.
That's really great. So you've taken your stuffs?
Yeah. These are.
Very good. So let's go. From yeah.
अच्छा वो उस पे बिठा दिया होगा डंडी पे.
So guys, let's go.
Now we are going back.
Okay, so hold the camera.
Yeah, sure.
So guys, some people would be thinking that why I shoot this kind of videos, like always show my activities and all. Guys, I believe in situational English. I don't believe in tate.
And the manager was looking towards you.
Okay.
Yeah. He was thinking that what is going on.
Okay, so there was a manager too, yeah?
Yeah.
That's good. The thing is that here what happens, guys, and not only here, wherever you go along with the camera and a mic, the people definitely just look at you as if they are going to eat you up. They always wonder what is going on. Why are they shooting? It happens, guys. But I have already told you that I never get scared and I never get troubled, because this is the part of my job and I have to do it.
It's not about trouble. People get shy here.
Yeah. Yeah, they feel shy and they get, surprised also. A kind of, you can see them as if they are quite, baffled. What is going on? It happens. I've seen at so many places. But here I have seen, like, whenever you have this mic with you and the camera, some, the teenagers, they pass by, they say, hey, he's a blogger, he's a blogger.
Yeah.
They just speak like this. I have just seen so many people. They always say, "Hey, blogger hai, blogger hai." Yeah. Good. So guys, now we are going back to my sister's home. Okay. And I'm thinking that I will upload this video right now, because still this is 5th April 2021. This is the night section. I have already uploaded a video, the activities which I did whole day. So I think this is of same day, so I must upload this. Okay. So my activities in the evening. Maybe the topic would be like this. So I was just saying that I always shoot this kind of videos because I really want to tell you that what the situation in English is. You have to speak every day as per the situation. If you are going somewhere, okay, if you are going somewhere, then you will come across a situation, and you have to speak, you have to talk.
If we speak in every situation, then we can speak fluent English. And
Absolutely. So situational English is main thing. And if you just keep on making translations instead of speaking, so you can be a good translator. But when it comes to speaking, what will happen to you? Yeah. So keep speaking. Are we going okay? Correct. It's the right path.
Yeah.
I have seen.
And after that, we have to take the first left turn.
First left.
Yeah.
Do you have any idea why whenever any car passes, why do dogs run after the car and why do you start barking?
No, I don't have any idea about this. But I have seen lots of time.
Yeah.
Dog used to do that.
I don't know why. There may be some reason. The first, from here you said or from?
No, from here. Yes,
Few
this
meters away. From here?
this one, yeah.
Okay. See guys. Okay, now I'm learning. I always get confused whenever it comes to, going on road without any map. It is always quite a difficult task for me.
Because you are in the habit of using, navigation.
Yes.
That's why it happens.
Doing that. Okay. Okay guys, so see you. I can't say see you in next episode. First of all, let me see whether there may be some more situations which I may come across. So I will be shooting those footages as well, guys. So thank you very much for this. Let's see if I come across any other situation. Okay, otherwise I'll upload the same video.
We'll meet in dinner also.
Okay. Thank you guys. Thank you. So guys, now it is around 10 o'clock. You can see the watch. It's 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock at night. Okay. And here my sister is right here with me. The thing is that what we are going to do, actually guys, you can see I have this hair fall issue, and I always take treatment. Whenever I take treatment, it goes on continuously for 8 months, 9 months, and my hair comes back, but again I go through the same issue. I don't know what happens to me, so still I am facing this problem, hair fall issue. So when I came here, since she runs a beauty parlor, so she knows lots of techniques, then she told me that there is something with the help of ginger, I think.
ginger का
It's a ginger juice. She has here you can
मिक्सी
see.
में निकाल लेना है इसे.
Okay, so it's a ginger juice, and she told me that I have to apply this juice every day here. So this is the first day, and definitely I'm going to apply, and let's see what happens. If I get any result, then really I would be quite happy, and I will tell my viewers as well to go for the same recipe free of cost. Ginger का जो खर्चा होगा होगा. Okay, that's fine. So let's get started. Okay, दीदी. Okay. So guys, this juice has been applied to this area, this section from where my hair is falling, and I believe within 30 days I can get the good result. I'll show you guys if really I get the good result. So thank you very much for watching this video. You also start speaking, talk every day. The more you speak, the more fluent you will be. This is the only mantra. Thank you guys. See you in another episode. Thank you.